everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a short program. What we're going to do is we're going to write a message into a list, and then we're going to create a text file and add the message to the text file. So we're going to start off with creating a path. So this path is going to be to my desktop on Windows. Users, mark desktop. Okay, so that's my desktop path. Your desktop path is going to be different to this, so you'll have to find your own unique desktop path. And then we use the OS module here, so you have to import the OS module for this. chdir, change directory to this path, and then we're going to create a function here called auto write. Then we're going to create a variable called message and assign that to import, which will get the user input, and simply enter message. What we're going to do here, we're going to create a list called message store, and it's going to be empty. That's where we're going to store the message. And that's going to be message store dot append message. So we're going to append the message to the message store. Now we're going to create the text file. So you do this by saying with open. I'm going to give it a name, new message .txt. We're going to use the W flag to create and write to the file as file object. File object dot write, and we're going to have to use str here, which is string message store. Right, and after that we're going to tell the user that we've done it, so that's simply going to be print message written. Okay, now all we have to do is call our program auto write. Oops, auto write should be. Save it, and let's run the program. Okay, so it says enter message, so simply I've entered a message. Hit enter, message written. Okay, let's have a look. So has it appeared somewhere? There we go. So that's new message. Let's have a look inside. And there we go, it's in the list. I've entered a message. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.